2009 Chevy Avalanche 5.3 liter V8. Has its stock cats there and there with the third one into a flex pipe. What we did is FLOWMASTER Super 10 duals all the way out the back into his stainless steel 3.5 inch tips by 18 out the sides. Came out looking really nice. If you want this FLOWMASTER Super 10, you'll see a link in the description. Part number 8430152. That's a decibel meter right there.
Yeah.
I'll tell you how loud it is by decibels. Oh yeah. Sound decibels? Right at 103, 102, that's solid. You like it?
Oh yeah, I love it. I even love the way it looks coming from the side.
I agree. There's the idle. Did you guys hear it on the inside? It's got a nice 6-inch lift on it. That's really nice.
2011 Chevy Avalanche 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it, something special. Got stock converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then it's got that dreaded third cat, flex pipe. And we put a CARVEN. Part number, where's the box? Part number, I'm always having trouble with boxes, guys. It's a size 3. It's the TR Performance muffler. It's specs TR Performance, part number CVE TR30. Made in the USA. Can't beat the USA. Here it is, CVE STR30. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then we continued his tailpipe and put a massive 6-inch tip right there. It looks awesome with a 6-inch tip. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please subscribe. Helps us keep going. Give it gas. No. There you go. What do you think? You can't get no deeper than that, bro. CARVEN Type R. 6-inch tip. Rev it higher. And let go. Rev it. There you go. Sound decibels, 105 again. It's got a rev limiter on it that sticks. The rev limiter. There's a muffler and tailpipe we cut off, a resonator. Put a 6-inch tip in its place. Go ahead and back it up. It sounds good on idle too. It's not too loud. Yeah. Okay, put it in park, give it gas again. That's so deep. Wow, CARVEN Type R. TR. That is so deep. lot. Again? Wow, that's sexy. That's really sexy. Let you guys hear on this. Chevy Avalanche 2011. 6-inch tip and CARVEN Type R 9-inch bottle muffler. Look at that, it idles smooth. Look at that idle. Get on it! Oh, that sounds so good. 2007 Chevy Avalanche 5.3 liter V8 LTZ. And he's a veteran guy, so please give him respect. Vietnam veteran. So we hooked him up. We got high flow cats there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then it's got a high flow third cat that somebody else put on, which is good, as long as it's high flow. And then what we did a muffler delete for him. He didn't want it too loud, just a little bit of sound, so we put him a 3-inch pipe in its place. Left the resonator on, so the wife don't get mad. And a 5-inch roll tip right there. Look at that look. You cannot beat that look on these. They look really good when you do that. We'll show it to you guys in a minute. On the ground, there's this massive muffler we cut off that nobody likes because it makes it too quiet. There it is, Chevy Avalanche 2007. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, comment, all that beautiful stuff. Hope you guys like this out. Give it gas. You like it? See? Are you happy? All right, we made his day. Thank you for your service. The least we can do. And he used to be a machine gunnist in Vietnam. So you guys can only imagine, he was carrying 300 pounds all the time. See how it looks now when it's on the ground? Now, it's not that big anymore. It looks perfect. And it's not too loud. You like that sound? It's perfect. Chevy Avalanche. Oh, it sounds so good. What do you guys think? I like it. That sounds really nice. Nice and deep. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Avalanche 2009. Straight pipe, high flow cats, and 5-inch tip with we left the resonator on it. Sounds so good. 2012 Chevy Avalanche 5.3 liter V8. My favorite color, blue, 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 blue. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single, and it's got the dreaded third cat right there. Then what we did is straight pipe duals with a Y pipe. All the way back 2 1/4 tailpipes into 5-inch tips. Mandrel bent. Came out absolutely beautiful. Look at that beautiful beast. Just a really nice truck all the way around. There it is. That's how you dual them out. And now we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Chevy Avalanche. Oh yeah, much better. Those tips make a huge difference. You get it? Sound decibels. One more. Right at 105. Not too bad. I think it sounds beautiful. Sounds magnificent, man. It's a beautiful truck too. Chevy Avalanche. '07 Chevy Avalanche 5.3 liter beast of a truck. Well, we got done on it for you guys today. Got the stock catalytic converters there and there. And then guess what, boys and girls? True duals. All the way back 2 1/4 into mandrel bent 2 1/4 tailpipes. All the way back there and there into 4-inch tips, angle cut there and there. We took all this crap off. Nobody likes mufflers around here. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Came out absolutely magnificent, if I would say myself. My book, pretty loud. Shakes the wax in your ears. I think it sounds phenomenal. Tell me you guys don't like that. You'd be crazy not to like that. LTZ, baby. Let you hear it on the inside. Chevy Avalanche. Beast mode! True dual. True. 2 pipes all the way back.